Scientific workshops have an important role in promoting scientific and technological development. To organize a successful scientific workshop, you need to keep in mind the following points. The workshop organization venue needs to ensure sufficient capacity for the number of guests, have spacious, modern facilities, and be suitable for the nature of the workshop. Workshop room decoration needs to stick to the theme of the conference, creating a professional and impressive space. Invite speakers with high reputation and expertise in the field of workshops. The guest list also needs to be carefully considered to ensure diversity of views and perspectives. Prepare a detailed script for the workshop program, start and end time, opening program, presentation sessions, group discussions, networking activities, etc. With more than 16 years of experience in the field of event organization, Hoabinh Events is confident in bringing you professional and reputable scientific workshop organization services. We have a team of dedicated, creative, and enthusiastic staff, always ready to advise and support you in successfully organizing an impressive and effective scientific workshop. Please contact Hoabinh Events immediately to receive free consultation and experience the leading professional scientific workshop organization service.